Time for idioms explained. Here we are going to look at a few idioms and what they mean. For example, hang in there. Hang in there. I'm not hanging, but it means stick with it. Don't give up. You got this. Another one is, I go for walks once in a blue moon. That means I go for a walk very rarely, once in a blue moon. Pull yourself together, man. That means to calm down. Pull yourself together. That was the straw that broke the camel's back. We did not break any camel's backs, but the straw that broke the camel's back means my patience has finally run out. No more patience is left.